What's up guys, it's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new sneaker haul video. Now today I have two awesome packages in from the homies over at Adidas. So huge thank you to the homies over at Adidas Canada, Adidas Running, just Adidas in general, thank you. They sent over 3 pairs of Ultraboost, and they also sent over this really cool like box package thing going on here with the Adidas and Parley collaboration. It's this like really cool crate and it slides open, and I'll get to that in a second, but I want to let you guys know that I am back on the daily vlog grind. I uploaded a vlog unboxing yesterday, and we're gonna get back into that daily routine of videos up at 7 p.m. Eastern. So if you don't have notifications on, or if you have notifications on but they're not working properly, 7 p.m. Eastern every single day is when you want to come back to Sneaker Talk for a daily vlog. And I'll also have some extra videos that come out after 7 p.m. if I do have extra content that day. And if you love sneaker reviews, I have a sneaker review channel as well called SneakerTalk 365. I will be uploading reviews on this channel, but I'll be uploading extra content, more reviews over on that, so I don't bombard you with so much videos on just one channel. So if you want to subscribe to that, link in the description down below. But with that said, we got 3 pairs of Ultraboost today, and I am excited because one of these I actually got to customize. I got to customize this Ultraboost not from the ground up, because you know, not every single aspect of the Ultraboost is customizable on the My Adidas platform on the Adidas website, but I did get to, you know, give it my own little Sneaker Talk flair, which I'm excited to show to you guys. So first up, let's get to the Adidas and Parley collection that they sent over in this really cool crate. Now earlier last month, I actually received a package from Foot Locker in a crate exactly like this, like a crate just like this, but with a different pair of Ultraboost Parley. So with all of these Ultraboost coming out, it's a good time to be a fan of the Ultraboost this summer. So with that said, let me get to this first Adidas Ultraboost package. This is the Adidas and Parley collaboration. Now I did receive a package similar to this last month from Foot Locker Canada. Thank you, Foot Locker. And it involved a pair of Ultraboosts that I got to run in for a 5K run, and some other gear as well. Now this package has more heat than before. So without further ado, let me slide open this hefty lid. And there's actually one piece I had to take out because it was such a tight fit. So I'll put the clothing pieces to the side because there was some clothing pieces. We'll get to that after the first pair of sneakers, but let's get to the first pair of sneakers. So one of them does have a box, one of them doesn't. Which one should we go with? Let's just go with the pair that's already unboxed. Bam, here we have it. These are the Adidas Ultraboost Parley in that white, light blue, light teal kind of colorway. These things are, I think, what I would call the perfect summer Ultraboost from the Parley collection. A lot of the Parley collection has like navy blue hits to it, dark blue, indigo blue, but this colorway is very light, and so it's gonna be, you know, just the right kind of color scheme for that summer. If you're gonna wear white t-shirts, white shorts, you just want something light. You know, sometimes you don't always want to wear something super dark on your feet in the summer. So man, these are really cool. I think these honestly might be my favorite from the Parley Adidas collaboration that they did for this summer. I'll give you guys a quick little 360 of the shoe. We have the white and like teal. I don't even know the proper color scheme or name of the color, but it's this like light teal and white primed and upper all over the upper of the shoe. And on top of that, the 3 stripes branding on the side has that same sort of like primed knit material, which is not something you're used to seeing on an Ultraboost. You're used to having like a plastic TPU side panel right here, but it has that same kind of texture and material as the rest of the upper of the shoe. On the back of the shoe, we got these hits of like light blue, and it really reminds me of the way that waves hit the beach. So it has that sort of like oceany kind of vibe right there. I really like that. On the tongue of the shoe, we got the Adidas branding, we got the Parley branding, and these shoes came with the white laces on them. The outsole of the shoe is a clean white, so these are probably gonna get very dirty if you aren't too cautious with them. There's a lot of Ultraboosts out there that are great for running, and these are obviously going to be great for running, but I would prefer to keep these clean. Like, so I'd probably not run in these. I'd run in the other pairs of Ultraboost Parley. Now, if you don't know about the collaboration between Parley Parley and Adidas. It's really cool. It's a super like environmentally friendly, environmentally aware campaign. And so I think approximately 11 plastic water bottles are taken out of the ocean, like they're prevented from going into the ocean, and they're recycled into the shoe itself. So they have this really cool like process where they break down the plastic water bottles and make it into a material that can be interwoven with the prime knit of the shoe, which is really cool. So you're actually wearing like 11 water bottles on your feet, so you're reducing your carbon footprint and you can sleep easier at night knowing that you're not harming the environment as much as someone else would be. And if you guys want to learn more about the Ultraboost and Parley collection, I'll leave a Foot Locker video linked down below where I actually go on a 5K run with the Ultraboost. Really fun video. I recommend you guys check it out. But yeah, this is the first pair of Ultraboost Parley I want to show you guys. These things are super clean. They might be on sale right now. I'm not too sure. I did get these a while ago, so I'm sorry for the very late unboxing, but I did want to show these to you guys. I will have a more detailed review coming up soon on this channel or on SneakerTalk 365. But overall, very clean colorway of the Adidas Ultraboost. I mess with these a lot, and I'm sure some of you guys do too. I'll leave links to cop these and the other Ultraboost. I'll show you guys in the description down below if you guys want to cop. Some of them might be on sale once again. And yeah, let me throw these on feet and we'll get over to the next pair of sneakers. Moving on to the next pair of Adidas Ultraboost from this haul. We have the box this time, that white and purple box. Let me pop open this lid. And here we go. Bam! Here we have it. This is the second colorway of the Parley Ultraboost I'm going to show you guys today. So these right here are another colorway from the Ultraboost and Parley collection. So let me show you guys these up close to the camera. We got hits of that light blue, navy blue, and this time the shoe doesn't have that same like prime knit material on the 3 stripes as the previous one did. It has a, I'm not even sure, sort of like a mesh kind of material. The laces are really unique. It's like this mixture of a navy blue and a blue. You guys might be able to see like the pattern that they have going on. It's not a strictly one color shoelace. Taking a look at the tongue of the shoe, we got the Adidas branding right here with the Parley branding as well. And the insole, just like the previous insole on the last Ultraboost, is this like light teal colorway to match the booty portion of the sneaker. We got a full length Boost midsole for premium comfort, and these are going to be a very comfortable sneaker throughout the entire year. So thank you Adidas for sending these bad boys over. I appreciate it. These look really clean, and I'm sure you guys are gonna mess with these heavy as well. I think this might be the colorway that's on sale out of all of the Ultraboosts, so check them out, linked down below. But with that said, let me throw these bad boys on feet, and then we'll get over to the clothing, and then my custom pair of Ultraboost. One thing, actually, there was this note inside the box, which I'm just seeing it now, and it says, each pair of Ultraboost Parley prevents approximately 11 plastic water bottles from entering our oceans. Join the movement and run for the oceans. Adidas.ca/Parley, at AdidasCA, #####. And then at the bottom of the card, it says, this card is embedded with wildflower seeds. Just plant it under 1/4 inch of loose soil, water it daily, and watch it bloom. What? That's so sick. That means this card is essentially a seed for some flowers. What? That's so cool. I've never seen that done before. Now moving on to the clothing from this haul, we have a very color coordinated tracksuit we got going on here. So here are the pants, and this is from their ZNE collection, and it's a Parley thing as well. I'm not too sure if this has any actual plastic woven into it, but the overall color scheme of it's really cool. It definitely goes with the Ultraboost from the previous set I just showed you guys. But yeah, here it is. It's in this like blue, like multicolored blue color scheme. Super comfy. Like, this is a very stretchy and comfortable material. If you guys haven't yet tried the Adidas ZNE or ZNE pieces, you should try them out in store. We got the really nice tapering going down to the bottom of your ankle right here. We got hits of this white stripe in this little pop color. We got a small little detail of this white stripe going down the side of the pant. Nice little touch. We got some pockets on the side as well with the zipper. I like that because typically when I have sweatpants, whatever's inside of the pocket falls out. So by having the zipper here, it's gonna allow my phone to never slip out of my pocket again. And then this has like sort of a ribbony, kind of like a ribbony drawstring right here, sort of like what you would get when you receive a present for your birthday or Christmas or something like that. So here is the pants. So here's a look at this jacket from the tracksuit combo. It's the exact same material as the pants. It's that 3 to 4 different shades of blue that they have mixed into it. So if blue is your favorite color, you're probably gonna mess with this tracksuit. Now it's a super soft, stretchy, comfortable material, just like the pants. It's the exact same material. We got that white branding on the side right here with the Adidas logo. We got the Adidas stripe, similar to the stripe on the pants as well. Now taking a look at the hood for this jacket, the hoodie portion actually rides up higher than your typical hoodie. It covers actually some of your neck when you wear it all the way zipped up. And if you do wear it all the way zipped up with the hood on top of your head, it's gonna have a very form-fitting fit to it. The hood isn't actually very baggy at all. It's pretty like, it hugs. It's gonna hug your head. There's also an elastic at the very top of the hood. You guys can see that. And so that's gonna make sure that it really maintains its shape and doesn't really let air slip in and out from your hood and your face when you do wear it. It's gonna probably look a little funny when you do wear it, so I'm gonna show it to you guys in a second when I do have the full outfit on. And then on the other side, like the right sleeve of the jacket, there's no extra details or anything like that. The main detail is on the left side with the sleeve and the logo and the line all happening over there. Going down the bottom of the hoodie, you got this YKK zipper going on, really high quality zipper. And then going to the side panels with the pockets, we got one zipper on the left side, we got another zipper on the right, and then at the bottom left of the jacket, there's a small Adidas and Parley patch here stitched into it. So yeah, those are the main details with the jacket. Now let me throw it on body, show you guys what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Now finally getting to the last pair of Ultraboost for today. This is a My Adidas custom, a custom pair of Ultraboost that I got to do while I was in Japan. Adidas actually emailed me letting me know that they're doing the My Adidas customization option for the Ultraboost once again on their website. And they sent me a code and were like, hey, if you want to make a pair, you know, here you go. So I was like, I will happily take that code. Thank you very much. And so in this box right here, that's been sitting in my room for about a month now. That's how behind I am. I'm now gonna finally unveil the My Adidas Ultraboost custom that I got to make. So thank you Adidas for sending over this and the code earlier in May while I was in Japan. And the customs take about, I think, 3 weeks to a month to have done. And here we have it in the flesh, black, white, and yellow Adidas box right here. Let's pop open that lid. And ooh, bam! These right here are my new My Adidas Ultraboost customs. Now I went with a navy blue color scheme on this one. In the past I actually went with the white pair, and these were originally limited to I think 1,500 or 1,200 pairs, and these were actually numbered like right here. You guys can see the individual number for the pair. And now for this release, I know they were limited, but not too sure to what extent, because they also didn't number which pair you got right here like it did on the previous pair. Now on the original drop of the My Adidas custom, they only allowed you to create white, black, and I think a gray, but I didn't see any navy blue options. And so I went with the navy blue option this time because last time I didn't have access to it. My understanding is though, if you were in Europe, you were able to get the navy blue option available to you. But with that said, navy blue custom My Adidas, and this right here is so dope. It has like like this multi-knit right here on the back panel, and that is the same multi-knit that was seen on the previous. It's sort of like a different kind of pattern. Like you guys can see on the OG one, it sort of goes like in a vertical, what you would call it, vertical setting, like it's just going up and down. But on this pair, it looks more of like a all over the place, not as like uniformed compared to the previous drop. On the side, we also have the Ultraboost branding right here, silver and gold details. We got the full length Boost midsole, and we also got the orange on the bottom right here. Now this is something I typically wouldn't, you know, throw onto my shoes, but I was like, I never get navy blue sneakers, and I really don't get orange shoes either. So I knew that the multi-knit, like prime knit on the upper of the shoe right here had some orange on it, and you could really see that there was like orange on it. So I figured the orange on the outsole would be a nice complement to the upper of the shoe. Taking a look at the tongue, I also opted for a silver tongue right here. I think it's also 3M. I'm not too sure. I can't remember if I made it a 3M reflective. I also opted for black laces on the shoe, and I also got some blue laces on the side. Now, one thing I did notice was that on the original release for the My Adidas Ultraboost, they don't have any accents on the aglets. What I mean by accents is on this blue pair that I have here, or on the aglets of the shoe, it actually says My Adidas, which is a really cool touch, and it says My Adidas on the black pair and also on this navy blue pair here that they included as well. And one really nice touch is that on the insole of the sneaker, you can actually see that there's the multi-knit pattern as well, which is like really cool. I like the fact that they did that. There you guys go, you guys can see that better. I am super happy and satisfied with how my Adidas Ultraboost custom turned out. And also, huge thank you again Adidas for sending over more of the Parley Ultraboost as well. In the comment section down below, let me know which Ultraboost you guys like the most. Do you guys like the white Parleys, the navy blue Parleys, or if you like my custom Ultraboost? And with that said, let me throw these on feet and I'll be right back. So there you guys go, that's gonna wrap up today's Ultraboost haul video. I wanna give a huge congratulations to James_Spizzeri 32. I'm gonna be sending you a free pair of sneakers for being in the notification gang and subscribing to the channel and being a super loyal, supportive member in the SneakerTalk family. If you guys would like a shot at some free sneakers, just subscribe, turn on post notifications, and be active in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be giving out more free sneakers and more free clothing to you guys in the SneakerTalk family in the future. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.